Hello, good evening, everybody. Archangel Michael has got a message for us today, and he says we are receiving insights from quiet meditation and prayer. And he says we must seek relief from stress. The universe, God, is sending us help via the angels and spirit guides so we can talk and communicate with them and they will help us and guide us. We must keep our lives in balance. We must choose peace and harmony over chaos and take time out and rest and rejuvenate. You need to pace yourself for the changes that are coming your way. There is going to be an increase in your material wealth and your spiritual wealth, and there's going to be a lot of love coming your way. You must accept where you are at this time. Only then can you begin to move forward. Be clear about your intentions so that they can know what you want, how you want it, and help you. You are going to have victory in some endeavor, or you already received the victory, and they want you to know that somebody will be leaving your life. Um, you are not moving too slowly. Drop the self induced pressure. You're at a sweet spot between taking care of yourself and still making advancements in your life. um, Peace of mind and contentment are guaranteed in all areas of your life. Look how bright that card is. Beautiful. Whatever you're asking your angels or spirit guides, the answer is yes. It's the truth. Something magical is going to happen for you in your life, and your loved ones want you to simplify your life. You've had so much going on that you've spread too thin. This has to change now so your vitality can recharge. That is very important. Thank you very much for listening. Have a good night's sleep and know that I love you very, very much.